Okay, what up, YouTube? Today I'll show you the libraries, the Nebula libraries I track my vocals with. Sometimes, not always. But I have 3 clips here that are recorded using the 100A. It's a compressor. It's like this one. Let me go to the soft tube so I can show you. Where's that plugin? The 100. This one. It's this, but the analog one. But let me do this. I want to see something. I just want to see something. It won't be perfect, but let's what's wrong? Let's take the Nebula off. Let's go on 3. I think I did it 3. Yeah, it was on here. So let me record. And it's situations that I think I'm on, and it's girls they hating when I think I'm on. Yeah. So this is the same thing as this one, but this one is a plugin, and this one also, it's Nebula. So let's listen to these vocals. And it's situations that I think I'm on, and it's girls they hating when I think I'm on. Feeling good, got me feeling so far gone, cause like you. And it's situations that I think I'm on, and it's girls they hating when I think I'm on. Can I love? And it's situations that I think I'm on, and it's girls they hating when I think I'm on. Let me try to do the same thing here. I don't want to, judge it by the old one. So the gain, where was the gain? You can see the gain. It's on 0 dBs, like this one. It's 0 dBs, and let's put it on 3 straight on 3. So we don't cheat anything. Sorry. Okay, it's on 3 also. Let me check the energy. Situations. And it's situations, baby, think I'm on. When I think I'm on too, baby, I don't know. And it's situations, baby, think I'm on. When I think I'm on too, baby, I don't know. And it's situations, baby, think I'm on. When I think I'm on. Situations that I think I'm on, and it's girls they hate. Situations, baby, think I'm on. When I think I'm on too. Situations that I think I'm on, and it's girls they hating when I think I'm on. And it's situations, baby, think I'm on. When I think I'm on too, baby, I don't know. And it's situations, baby, think I'm on. When I think I'm on too. And it's situations that I think I'm on, and it's girls they hating when I think I'm on. And it's situations, baby, think I'm on. When I think I'm on too. I think I shouted so much there, but you can hear the difference. The software, it has pretty low end. The low end are pretty high, as you can see, but as you can hear and listen to this Nebula thing, avoiding this peaks here because I was shouting, and this one sit better on the mix, and this one doesn't. Listen to it again. Any situations, as you can hear, and this is the same thing. Here I used the Neve. This is the Neve one. I only have what you call 5 minutes. This is the Neve. It's a Neve one. Pretty nice. Has a dope low end. It's super tight. It's pretty nice, man. I don't even want to lie. On my diver, I can give it up, by the situations that have been alright, and I tell you why, and I tell you how I feel. And here I use the C1B. By the situations, girl, I think I'm on, and I tell you why, but I know how you feel, baby. Situations, and I've been alright, girl, I tell you why. I use this one. No, this is this. I use this one. LXP. Pretty nice. You can use this libraries to check your vocals, like to get that analog feel. Yeah, that's it. And the template, it's dropping on Patreon today, so everything is pretty fine. Not too many plugins, as you can see. If you don't have a Nebula 4, you'll replace it with something like this of tube, any compressor that you have, but make sure you don't, squeeze your vocals that bad. So you have to balance. Watch out for this template. Make sure you have the waves plugins and the PSP. Make sure you have the PSPs. Then you'll be fine. And on this mix, I only used what you call the BX, the SSL 400G, and I also use what you call a compressor after recording, like after this. So it's like 3 plugins that I use. I feel situations on me, waiting on my diver. I can give it up, by the situations that have been alright, and the situations that I think I'm on, and the situations, baby, think I'm on. When did he give me love? And I told you why, and I told you how I feel. Situations I've been causing something. I know there are few plugins that make good compressors and all those things, but I'm into this Nebula thing. I think it's pretty dope. I'm getting like so much better quality using them, and yeah, I wanted to share this.